The world is evolving rapidly, and adapting to these changes is essential for personal growth and professional success. Self-improvement is now an active, ongoing process, integrating new strategies, modern psychology, and emerging technologies. In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful self-improvement trends for 2025. These trends are backed by research and real-world results. We'll delve into each trend, why it's crucial, and practical ways to implement them. The goal is to empower you to transform your mindset, refine your habits, and reshape your life. Whether you want to enhance focus, build habits, leverage technology, cultivate resilience, or optimize your surroundings, there's something here for you. Ready to build a more intentional, fulfilling life? Let's begin. We live in an age of constant digital connection with endless scrolling, notifications, and swiping. This cycle is driven by dopamine, making digital interactions addictive. The relentless stream of digital input erodes our focus and mental well-being. Enter the digital dopamine detox, a significant self-improvement trend. It's about resetting our sensitivity to dopamine by reducing exposure to hyperstimulating digital activities. This could mean taking breaks from social media, video games, or excessive news consumption. The goal is to recalibrate your brain's reward pathways, making everyday activities engaging again. Start by identifying time-wasting apps and setting limits or deleting them. Schedule offline blocks, turn off notifications, and consider digital sunset rules. Benefits include improved concentration, creativity, presence, and reduced anxiety. By removing cues that trigger mindless scrolling, you shape your environment for better choices. This isn't about rejecting technology, but cultivating a healthier relationship with it. Replace old digital habits with fulfilling analog activities like reading, walking, or hobbies. A digital dopamine detox enhances mental clarity and reclaims your attention. Take control of your time and energy, not your devices. Traditional self-help focused on setting and achieving goals. A newer approach, identity-based habits, focuses on who you wish to become. Instead of "I want to run a marathon," say "I am a runner." This shift ties behaviors to your identity, making them feel natural and sustainable. Decide the type of person you want to be and prove it with small wins. Each action reinforces your desired identity. For example, a non-smoker refuses a cigarette because it aligns with their identity. Habits become expressions of who you are, not chores. This intrinsic motivation is more sustainable than relying on willpower. True behavior change is identity change. Focus on the system, not just the goal. Your identity provides the why, and small, consistent habits are the how. Consider what kind of person you want to become in 2025. Start small, cast votes for that identity with daily actions, and transform who you are. This trend builds a version of yourself that embodies the qualities you admire. AI is revolutionizing personal development, making sophisticated tools accessible. AI-powered journaling apps analyze entries for emotional tone and offer prompts for reflection. AI therapy chatbots provide on-demand support for managing stress and anxiety. Modern habit tracking apps predict pitfalls and offer personalized encouragement. Personalized learning platforms curate customized learning paths. AI-driven coaching platforms provide feedback on communication skills and goal setting. Benefits include unparalleled personalization, data-driven insight, and enhanced consistency. AI tools should augment, not replace, genuine human connection and critical thinking. Use AI as a co-pilot, not the sole navigator of your growth. AI tools can make good habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. They help design a system for continuous improvement. Choose tools that align with your goals and use them mindfully. AI empowers you with smarter tools to unlock your potential. Build a better version of yourself with intelligent insights. Embrace AI-powered growth for a more effective personal development journey. The focus is shifting from motivation to mental fitness. Motivation is temporary and unreliable, while mental fitness builds resilience. Mental fitness involves training your mind to handle stress and overcome setbacks. Practices include mindfulness, stress management, cognitive reframing, and emotional regulation. Mental fitness is the engine that keeps you going, even when motivation wanes. Benefits include better coping with stress, improved resilience, and consistent effort. Mental fitness aligns with building good habits and sticking to a schedule. It's about building the habit of showing up and emotional discipline. Consistency trumps intensity for long-term progress. Cultivate the discipline to act and navigate discomfort. Build an internal locus of control driven by values and commitments. Shift your focus to building mental fitness. Incorporate practices like meditation, journaling, and challenging workouts. Equip yourself with the inner fortitude to thrive in an unpredictable world. Build a mind that is consistently resilient. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Environment design shapes your actions, decisions, and habits. Create a setting where good intentions are supported and bad habits discouraged. Make desired behaviors easier and undesired behaviors harder. Your environment is the unseen architect of your daily life. Apply the 4 laws of behavior change to your surroundings. Make cues for good habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Make cues for bad habits invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying. Environment design extends to physical and digital spaces. Automate good choices and make positive behaviors the path of least resistance. Optimize your environment for success and reduce mental energy spent on willpower. Be intentional with your surroundings to support your goals. Design your personal environment thoughtfully as a choice architect. Small changes in your surroundings lead to significant behavior changes. Master your environment to master yourself. Your 2025 Growth Blueprint: Taking Action, Recap: Digital Dopamine Detox, Identity-Based Habits, AI-Powered Growth, Mental Fitness, and Environment Design. These trends offer a holistic approach to personal development. Choose 2 trends that resonate with you and commit to applying them. Track your progress and reflect on your growth over the next 30 days. Comment below. Which trend are you most excited to jump into? Subscribe for weekly deep dives into continuous growth and high performance. Aim to be 1% better every day.